Hey there! Today, we're taking a closer look at the Baristas Rotary Cultivator Garden Rotary Tiller. This versatile hand tiller is designed to make soil mixing and reseeding grass a breeze. Thanks to its adjustable stainless steel poles and a total length of 57. Let's look into its design. The cultivator features a unique star-shaped head with a practical rolling mechanism, enhancing its efficiency in breaking up soil. The adjustable stainless steel handle ensures durability and allows you to customize the length for comfortable use. Additionally, the ergonomically designed soft anti-slip grip provides comfort during extended gardening sessions. In terms of performance, the Baristas Rotary Cultivator is lightweight, weighing only 2.6 pounds, making it easy to maneuver across your garden. It's particularly effective for soil mixing and reseeding tasks, allowing for efficient cultivation without the need for heavy machinery. Every product has their pros and cons. Let's look at the pros first. Adjustable stainless steel poles for durability and flexibility. Lightweight design enhances ease of use. Ergonomic anti-slip grip for comfortable handling. Effective for soil mixing and reseeding grass. Now let's look at the cons. Manual operation may be tiring for larger areas. Limited color options, primarily available in orange. Customers have left a lot of feedback regarding the product. Let's look at some of them. Considering its design, functionality, and customer feedback, we'd rate the Baristas Rotary Cultivator Garden Rotary Tiller at 3.9 out of 5 stars. It's a solid choice for gardeners seeking a reliable and efficient hand tiller for small to medium-sized tasks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!